Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the notifications in your Windows 11 PC. It's very easy, so all you have to do is go to Windows Start and go to Settings, or you can just type Settings here, and once you are in the settings, just click System. Once you are in the system, just click the notification. Here you can see the notification. You can just turn it off, but once you turn it off, it will turn off all the kinds of notification in your PC. So even the system notification or the security notification will turn off. So I suggest even the USB, as you can see in that. So all you have to do is click one by one for those notifications that you want to turn off. Mostly the most useless notifications you can have here is the Chrome notifications, or depend on your prepare. So it depends on you what kind of notifications you want to control or you want to turn off. So that's how you turn off the notifications, and that's how easy you're going to turn off the notification. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you learned something. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you and goodbye.